Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday, and I wish you a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2020. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I have a design team project for MyScrapChick. Although the holidays are over, I'm sure you took lots of photos. I've created this Noel Chipboard Mini Album, which is an ideal place to store your precious holiday memories. Before we review this project in further detail, let me show you some of the items that I used to make it. I used this Simple Stories collection. It's called Simple Vintage Country Christmas. This was a really fun paper to work with. I also used the ephemera pack, the chipboard frames, as well as the journaling cards. I also use this 12 by 12 black chipboard. Now this is the first time that I've worked with black chipboard, and I have to say I really like it. Typically I'll use the gray medium weight chipboard, but this was wonderful. I didn't have to distress or stain any of the edges, and it's a medium weight chipboard which cuts through my Cricut Maker perfectly. Let me show you the product information. I purchased this at Joann's, and it's by Graphics, and here is the product number. This is my mini album, and I cut it out at the largest size that I could fit on my Cricut Maker. This is just a little shy of 11.5 inches long, and it's 6 inches tall. This is held together by these 3 rings, and I decorated them with this fun ribbon. We've got this canvas ribbon with acorns and holly, and we've got this red loopy ribbon. I think that looks really fun. To make this mini album, I used a digital file from MyScrapChick. It is their Noel Word mini album. They've recently updated this file to include the layers for each of the letters. On the first page for the N, I did not use the layering panel because I wanted to showcase this beautiful cardinal on the front. As you can see, it says "Believe in the Magic of Christmas." I have embellished this with this beautiful spray at the bottom here. We've got a poinsettia. We have this wooden snowflake. Hidden behind it is this pearl and rhinestone jewelry piece. We've got these fun berries, and I've used this fun jute. Now you will see this used throughout the album because I think it coordinates nicely with the rustic country feel of this paper collection. On the first inside page, I've used more of this jute ribbon, another pearl and rhinestone bling, and then we have a little area where you can journal. On the bottom here, I've also included pearls. For the next page, I have used my Martha Stewart doily punch. Let me show you that. This is what the punch looks like. And I've used more flat back pearls. We have this vintage little girl here, and it says "Merry Christmas." We have more pearls and lace, and when you open this flips up, and you can include photos and journaling inside. For the letter O, I have this elevated with 2 layers of chipboard to give it enough room to include the sequins inside, as you can see. On the top here, we have this cute little bird, a sentiment that says "Happy Holidays." I used these green and red flat back pearls. We have this vintage mini envelope, this glittered poinsettia, and red and green satin ribbons. On the next page, we have more of these flat back pearls, a little poinsettia, a little sentiment that says "Traditions," and I've included this little tuck spot here for journaling. This is a chipboard piece from the collection, and I've created this fun waterfall inside. To decorate the fronts of each of the pages, I used 3x4 cut aparts, and then on the back, I've used white cardstock. You can either include journaling or a photo. And this little booklet holds 11 photos. However, the overall mini album can hold a total of 32 photos. On the next page, I've used a chipboard frame from the collection. I've embellished it with this red doily punch, more pearls and poinsettias. I love this little deer with the trees behind it, and then also this blue paper in the background. I think that is so pretty. I added a piece of acetate to this frame, and you can simply slide a photo in on the bottom, just like so. I've decorated this E with this fun burlap leaf that's dipped in red glitter. I have these fun berries, some are glittered, baby's breath, and then more of this jute ribbon. This next page is my favorite. I really love the way this turned out. I used this lace sticker here in the back and included more of these fun red and green flatback pearls. I used a vintage frame from the collection. However, I cut off the tops and bottom just to include the side image here of this Santa Claus who's holding a Christmas tree. I have a gold glitter star behind it, more of this jute, and a poinsettia. And on the bottom here it says Santa. Behind it we have these fun cut-aparts from the collection. Now I did not line this with cardstock. I figured you can just include a photo on the back. There are also areas for journaling. This just tucks back here. On the next page, I've created this 4x6 library pocket mini album. This is a digital file by Laurie Whitlock. I decorated the cover with the same image that I did on the front page. We've got more glittered poinsettias, this doily trim and pearls. We have this fun spray on the side, and this booklet is held together with a magnetic closure. Inside there are 4 pockets. Now this mini album typically comes with 6 pages. However, I really needed to keep the footprint fairly slender, so I only included 4 pages plus the front and the back cover. Here we have a nice space for a photo, and I've created a little tuck spot. These are stickers from the paper collection, and these are the pockets. You can include a photo here. Plus we have these inserts. There are 2 inserts for each pocket, and you can include a photo on the back. Here we have a little belly band for more photos. We have another pocket with 2 more inserts. We have another little tuck spot here for a photo. In our 3rd pocket. On this page there's a space for journaling, and here's our last pocket. We have these 2 inserts. And on the back, I've created this fun tip-in. We've got a little bingo card here that says Merry. And on the back side, I put white cardstock, which you can use for journaling, and then a wide open space for a 4x6 photo. And then the last page has a little tuck spot here on the bottom. I decorated the L with this vintage lace sticker, more flatback pearls. I love this chipboard deer that's embellished with these tiny mini poinsettias, and we have a wooden snowflake here in the back, and then more of these golden glitter sprays. And this is the back of the mini album. I think this is so pretty with the ghosted images and the poinsettias. This concludes my review of my chipboard mini album. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload a new video. Before I go, I'm going to be doing a hidden giveaway as a special thank you to my subscribers and as a way to welcome in 2020. To participate, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident, and you must say, Happy New Year, Sir Chauncey Rocco. I will be announcing the winners in my next video. Let me show you what I'm giving away. I will be selecting 3 winners. One winner will win this fun bath bomb snowflake. Another winner will receive this adorable percolator, which is packed with fun edibles. And another winner will receive this fun hot cocoa mug gift box. Each of these are filled with fun goodies. To see how I made them and what's included, please refer to my 12 Days of Christmas craft series. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting.